Welcome back to Craft Catalog, your home for smart ideas, stylish upgrades, and creative solutions that make everyday spaces feel extraordinary. Today's video is all about transforming your small kitchen into a beautifully organized, high-functioning space, without renovating, overspending, or adding clutter. If your counters feel crowded or you're constantly running out of space, these ideas will change everything. Let's start with one powerful truth. A small kitchen doesn't limit what you can do. It simply challenges you to use space smarter. And once you unlock that mindset, even the tiniest counters suddenly feel bigger, cleaner, and easier to manage. First, look at your kitchen with fresh eyes and identify what actually needs to live on your counter. Most kitchens become cluttered because items stay out simply due to habit. Move anything that isn't used daily into cabinets, drawers, or wall-mounted storage. This single shift instantly opens up your space and makes the counters look intentional instead of messy. Now, let's elevate your organization with smart zones. Create a coffee zone, a prep zone, and a cooking zone. Keeping related items grouped helps your kitchen flow better and prevents everything from landing in one chaotic pile. For example, placing your cutting boards, knives, and a small prep container together near your workspace saves time while keeping surfaces clean. Another game-changing idea is vertical storage. This is where small kitchens gain an incredible advantage. Install floating shelves, hanging racks, or magnetic strips on unused wall areas. You'll be amazed how much counter space returns when utensils, spices, mugs, or cutting boards move upward instead of outward. Even a slim rail under an upper cabinet can hold jars, towels, or small baskets, turning dead space into purposeful storage. If you're dealing with appliances crowding your counters, consider swapping bulky items for compact versions or storing them on pull-out shelves. Keeping only your most used tools out ensures your counters stay functional and open. You can also add risers or tiered stands to double the usable area on tight surfaces, perfect for spices, jars, or small cookware. Thanks for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed these smart counter-saving ideas, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more transformations that make your home work smarter for you.